Okay, so one topic that really excites me is blockchain technology. And why blockchain technology? Well, I'll tell you. You've heard of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a shadow currency, it's a cryptocurrency, and it is now valued at almost $10,500 as of December 1st, 2017. So people want to invest in Bitcoin, right? And people have bought a lot of things using Bitcoin. Well, what is Bitcoin exactly? I'll tell you how it works. So Bitcoin isn't owned by any person, it isn't owned by any commodity. It's shared, right? And it's replicated. So let's say a user wants to transfer funds from one place to another. And if he wants to buy something, he just sends the Bitcoins. And the advantage of using a Bitcoin is basically you can see what transactions have happened. Like you can see the whole history. So let me take an example. So let's say that you're mining diamonds in somewhere in Africa, okay? And those diamonds have to be sent overseas to UK, and they're manufactured, like they're polished, and they're made beautiful in UK, and then they're sold in, let's say, France. So you have all these steps. So that's Africa, and then UK, and then France. And so what we try to establish by using blockchain technology is that every person can write. So the basic idea is a shared ledger. You have records, like you take a database and you make changes in a database, like you update the database on and on. And by doing so, you can know when an event has occurred and what has happened basically. And so a shared blockchain technology gives way to a lot of advantages. The thing is, you can show, you can see, you can make stuff visible, and you can make stuff more efficient. You can reduce time, and you can improve by building trust. So what I've been looking at is for blockchain for business technologies. So let's say you have a business, right? And same example. You have a client, you have a bank, and you want to share records from the bank to the client. So in a normal system, what happens is you would take the records, you contact the bank, and then the bank gives you a slip, and then you make the transaction to the client via the bank. Well, using blockchain technology, it's more simpler. You just do the direct transaction with your client, and by doing so, you make changes to the bank. It's simple as that.